Now that we've touched on the history of AI, let's get a clear understanding of what AI actually is. At its core, AI, or artificial intelligence, refers to computer systems, or machines, capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. Let's think about this a bit. Machines doing tasks that require human mind. These tasks often involve problem solving, pattern recognition, and language understanding. Things that, until recently, we thought only humans could do. For example, think about planning, analysing data, adjusting to new information, or continuously learning from experience. These are all functions that human brains are exceptionally good at, and now we're teaching machines to do the same. It's not just about automation, but about creating systems that can handle complex tasks, make decisions, and even understand human language. As we go further into this course, you'll see how these capabilities are being applied in everyday life and why understanding AI is becoming so crucial.